I'm Lauren, Product Manager at ASSA Abloy Opening Solutions Australia, and I'm here to introduce you to our latest smart lock, the Yale Unity Entrance Lock, fire rated with compliant lever. This smart lock offers unrivaled convenience coupled with a lever that meets Australian standards designed for mobility and access. It's suited for both multi and standalone residential applications and guarantees to give your customers the ultimate experience of seamless entry through the Yale Home App. Here at ASSA Abloy, we know that convenience is key when choosing a smart lock, and the Yale Home App makes it easy to share, manage and monitor access to the home with caregivers, support services and family members. No more worrying about coordinating access or preparing spare keys. Additionally, when paired with the Yale Connect Plus Wi-Fi bridge, your smart lock can be controlled through voice recognition with compatible works with speakers including Hey Google and Hey Alexa. Like so. So go on, add this smart lock with compliant lever to your next project or smart product offering. Our local teams will give you all the support you need.